Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are well. Today I am here to teach you in this online class. Today's topic, parts of a computer, from page number 13, 14 and 15 of book. In today's lesson, we will read and learn about the different parts of a computer. So let's start our today's lesson. First of all, we are going to discuss about the basic or main parts of a computer. So let's get started. A computer has four main parts, such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. First of all, we are going to discuss about the monitor. The monitor is also known as the VDU, which stands for Visual Display Unit. It looks like a TV screen. The monitor displays whatever we type with the keyboard. The monitor displays whatever we draw with the mouse. There are two types of monitors, such as LCD monitors and CRT monitors. Now we are going to discuss about the keyboard. The keyboard is used for typing text, numbers, and special characters on the computer. The keyboard has many buttons on it, which are called keys. Different keys have different functions. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Now we are going to discuss about CPU. The system unit contains the CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Whatever is typed through the keyboard or done with the mouse goes to the CPU. The CPU processes it and sends the results on the monitor. Now we are going to discuss about mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point out the items present on the computer screen. The mouse has two or three buttons on top and a sensor at the bottom. A long wire attaches the mouse to the CPU. These are the four main parts of a computer. Now we are going to discuss about the peripheral devices of a computer. First of all, we are going to discuss about the speakers. Speakers help us to listen to recorded music, songs, speech, or other sounds. Headphones. Headphones helps to hear sound generated by a computer without disturbing others. Printer. A printer is used for printing the work done on a computer on a sheet of paper. Some printers print only in black and white, while some others can print in color. UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. A battery stores electrical power inside the UPS. The UPS is used for keeping the computer on for a few minutes if there is a sudden power cut. Microphone. A microphone is used to record voice, music, and sound into the computer. It is sometimes called a mic or mic. CDs or DVDs. CDs or DVDs can store information for the computer. CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital versatile disc. Now let's move on to today's homework. Answer the questions. Here are some questions for you, student. And you have to write the answers to these questions on page number 18 of book. And question number 1 is, name the device used to take printouts. Question number 2, name the device which thinks for the computer. Question number 3, name pointing device which shows the arrow on the screen. And you have read the answers to these questions in today's lecture. Hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you.